Insane power delivery. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back in the Dodge Challenger Ghost, one of the few special edition last calls from Dodge. 808 horsepower, 707 pound-feet of torque from the 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8. We got 20-inch wheels, satin carbon, and here we go. Insane power delivery. Insane. That supercharger whine. If you guys recall from the prior video, this is not a sports car, this is a muscle car. So, when we're getting to the turns, it's not going to be as agile and nimble. And this is a chunky monkey, well over 4,000 pounds. But you gotta admit, it handles its weight decently well, considering how hefty it is. I'm getting pretty early on the brakes because, if I'm being honest, the brakes do not inspire all that much confidence. Not as firm as I would like, not as much feel as I would like either. This is a vehicle where they built a car around an engine. Really the centerpiece. A lot of fun bringing this thing out. Gotta love that supercharger whine. .808 horsepower, 707 pound-feet. More than enough. It's one of those vehicles that doesn't take itself too seriously. It's very much the grow hair on your chest kind of car. Old school American muscle. A lot of fun. You're not trying to carve canyons with this. You're not going to be tearing up the racetrack. This is a car that's designed to put a smile on your face because it is just so bonkers. It is bananas. They're not trying to wow you with any new gen interior. They're not trying to wow you with any cutting edge tech. They're trying to show you a good old fashioned time with a supercharged V8 and way more power than anyone needs. And that's the Challenger Black Ghost, boys. Let me know what you think with a comment down below. Much love, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
It's a good spot.
Thank you, man.
Good drive. Appreciate it. I enjoyed your narration.
Thanks.